So 164, are you ready to present?
Hello. Hello, I'm
Yeah,
audible?
please. Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, thank you.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Thanks, Opodent Pharmacy Federation, for giving me this opportunity in this condition. Myself, Ambik Kumar Shatra, pursuing GPharm from Calcutta Institute of Pharmaceutical Technology and Allied Health Science. My topic is colon-specific drug delivery system. A brief overview. At first, what is the colon-specific drug delivery system? It refers to the targeted delivery of drug into the lower part of GIT tract, mainly in large intestine. The main objective of colon drug delivery system is to reduce the dosing frequency, to delay delivery to the colon to achieve high local concentration in the treatment of disease of the distal gut, to delay and also again to delay the delivery to a time appropriate to treat acute phases of diseases, and it is known as the chronotherapy. And also we have to know that why we need to target the drug delivery system, because we need to target the drug delivery system because most of the conventional drug delivery system for treating colon disorder such as inflammatory bowel disease syndrome and colon cancer, etc., and also the delivery of drug in its intact form and close as possible to the target site and ability to cut down the conventional doses. Now we can see the anatomy of colon. Anatomy and physiology of colon are: the GIT tract is divided into stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The colon itself made up of cecum, ascending colon, hepatic flexure, transverse colon, splenic flexure, descending colon, as sigmoid colon. And we can see that and the colon, it is about 1.5 meter long, and although it varies in 9 centimeter in cecum and 2 centimeter in sigmoid colon. The wall of colon is composed of four layers: serosa, muscular externa, submucosa, and mucosa. Now you can see and we have to know the pH of the colon. Actually, the radiotelemeter has been measured the gastrointestinal pH in a healthy subject. On entry into the colon, the pH dropped to 6.4 plus minus 0.6, and in the mid colon it is 6.6, and in the left colon it is 7. The pH. There is a fall in pH on the entry to the colon due to the presence of short chain fatty acid arising from the bacterial fermentation of polysaccharide. We have to know the function of colon. Formation of the function of colon and mainly the formation of suitable environment for colonic microorganism, and also the absorption of potassium ion and water from lumen, concentrating facial contract, and secretion and excretion of potassium and bicarbonates. The application of colonar, it is used in generally in local colonic pathology, systematic delivery of protein and peptide, and potential site for the treatment of diseases sensitive to circadian rhythm. And the main advantage, the basically the why we use, and the main advantage of colon drug delivery system is the specific site of delivery of drug to the lower part of the GIT for localize the treatment of several chronic disease, and also the prevent drug from degradation and ensure the direct treatment of disease site. And the obviously the some limitations are also there. The some limitation are the viability of drug may be low due to the potentially binding of drug in a non-specific way to dietary residue, intestinal secretion, and mucus or facial matter. Multiple manufacturing steps, and the main and foremost limitation are non-availability of appropriate dissolution testing method to evaluate the doses from in vitro. Thank you. Hello. Hello.
I would request evaluators to please go ahead.
So, could you please mention some of the methods by which we can target the colon for a particular type of disease?
So, such as bowel inflammatory syndrome, bowel irritation in case of
Look,
that.
look, look, look. Wait, 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 wait. I have asked you the method of drug targeting towards the colon. I'm not asking you the diseases. Method
The,
of drug targeting towards colon. Yeah, colon targeting methods.
yes, sir. By say coronotherapy, we can target any drug.
Mm, anything else?
So, no, sir.
Okay. Could you please tell me the unique feature of this particular targeting which attracts you to present here in this forum?
Because in some part of our body, if we orally eat in intake or anything, but it acts as long as time. But if we target by colon, the drug act quickly.
And from which route you are supposed to deliver the medicine to the body?
So rectal route, I think.
From rectal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, over from my side.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have reviewed the topic, just brief about various pH dependent drug delivery systems to colon.
Ma'am, sorry again, ma'am, I can't hear.
Give a brief idea of various pH dependent drug delivery systems which will target to colon.
Ma'am, radio telemetry something. Sorry, ma'am.
Radio telemetry,
Ma'am, I have no
that
idea.
is a method for delivery.
No, ma'am, sorry, ma'am. That used to measure actually. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, give example of any drug which is used and it is using this colon targeted drug delivery system for any particular disease.
Ma'am, the drugs such as, ma'am, which go fast metabolism, ma'am, for colon cancer, which absorb, which the
No,
drug
no,
which.
no. Not
Um,
general examples. Give me example of one drug and how it is delivered for which disease. Okay, no problem.
okay.
I'm done with questions.
Okay, yeah. So, Amrik, you talk about irritable bowel syndrome,
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
one of the target. So, what are the drugs normally they give to treat irritable bowel syndrome?
Sir.
So, if you say about colon drug delivery, so you need to choose your drug candidate, right? So, what drug you would like to choose for your colon drug delivery system?
Sir.
Okay, never mind. That's all about it.
Shall we move forward to the conclusion?
Vikram sir, please conclude the session.
Yeah. I thank you to Dr. Vijay Sharma, Professor at GT University, Dr. Arsna Navle, Professor, Parul Institute of Pharmacy, Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat, and Dr. P. Vijaya Pandit, Professor, Chalapati Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guntur, for your valuable time and evaluating all the posters. And last and not least, or the coordinators of PharmaNest 21 who are making this event grand successful. I thank to all the evaluators and all the coordinators. Now request to all the